Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to see how to create an eBay store with Shopify. eBay provides a vast of online marketplace with a large customer base, offering sellers high visibility and potential for increased sales. So, in order to create an eBay store with Shopify, follow the following steps. Open your Shopify store page and click on Add App. Then click on Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type eBay and a list of applications will appear. I always prefer the Shopify Marketplace Connect integration app. This application allows you to connect your Shopify store with different marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Let's select the application, read some details information about the application, and start installing. As I mentioned earlier, here is a list of different marketplaces. Let's continue with eBay by clicking on Connect Account. If you have an account, connect it. If you don't, create a new eBay account. Let me create a new account. To create a new eBay account, follow the following steps. As you can see, the eBay seller account is created. Now, let's work on the eBay connection checklist. Click on View Settings. Here is a list of adjustment settings that you can use to build your eBay store. Click on Connect Marketplace. As you can see, one account is connected with eBay. Now, let's proceed to the next step, which is listing. Click on the listing option and you will see the list of eBay products that are also found on the Shopify store. Let's see the first product. Here, the listing status of this product is inactive. We need to make it active on the marketplace. Click the products and insert some necessary detail informations about the product. Enable the product. Insert an eBay title and category. Set a price. The quantity. And fill in all the input data as you like. Once you finish, save the changes and submit it for review. As you can see, the product is on publishing progress. After the review, this product will become active. Let's do the same process for the next product and submit it for review. As you can see, the first two products are in the publishing process. And the rest are inactive. So insert the input data for all the products and publish it to eBay. The next step is mapping. Click on Mapping. Sales attributes. Used to map Shopify products attributes or Shopify marketplace connecting grids columns to your eBay listings. eBay listing attributes. Used to control title, eBay category and store categories, conditions, and other eBay specific listing attributes. Payment attributes. Used to control payment methods and payment settings on your eBay listing. Shipping attributes. Used to control item locations, domestic and international shipping rates, along with handling time and promotional shipping. Return policy attributes. Used to control a return policy information. And finally, eBay item specifics attributes. Used to control individual product item specifics and choose whether or not it is controlled by the grid or by your attributes. Fill in all the input information in order to build eBay mapping. The other step is monitoring orders. Click on Order, and you can fulfill any order from this page. Currently, we don't have any order. The last step is account setting. Click on Settings, and you can edit your eBay account setting from this page. This is how to create an eBay store with Shopify. Thank you for watching.